Okay, okay, I didn't tell if I did this video. So, what is happening, YouTube? It's your boy, Dan Concerned here, and today, I'm reviewing not one, not two, not three, but 4 episodes of Shokugeki no Soma in one video. And, oh my god, these 4 episodes were hella dope. I mean, the last episode I watched was hella dope, and if we, I said for my first video I said for the first video after I started reviewing season 4 that if we only get 4 seasons, that's fine. But I'm probably gonna want one more season after this, because there's no way they can end a season on such a high note. Or scratch that. There's no way they can end a season on such a low note that they can't do another season. But like I said, if they just end up doing 4 seasons of the show, I'm gonna be happy. But holy shit, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm getting right into the video. Get right into the video. Okay, so episode 8. Now I pushed this back off long enough. Now episode 8. It was a good episode. I will say that. I don't really remember much. All I knew was it was good. Episode 9. I finished up today. Holy guac! I mean, holy shiitake mushrooms. That was a good episode. And that episode we found out it was going to be at the end of that, I'm going to highlight the main point of that episode I liked, which was the ending, which is when we found out that it was going to be that the final bout, that the fifth match was going to be the final bout. It was going to be a 2-course meal, Shokugeki. So it was going to be Tsukasa and Nino Senpai against Erina and Yuki and Soma. And oh my god, now I've said this ever since episode 2. I've said this since episode 2, back when I started my rewatch. Episode 2, I said this. I ship Yuki Hinasoma and Nakari Erina all the way. And I still say that. Now, it's been pretty much it now. These two have had feelings for each other. I don't know if it's romantic. I don't know if it's going to be... I don't know if it's not romantic. We don't know. But again, I've shipped those two since episode 2 of the first season. Now, I gotta get a drink, otherwise, because I'm talking a while, probably. God, Pepsi Max. But, again, holy shiitake mushrooms. That was a good episode. Episode 10. We find out that we then find out that it's actually a Shokugeki between Nakari and Erina and Soma. Oh, of course, it was out of nowhere, Nikumi and dudes from Postal Dormitory are derobed? So, apparently it's this filling wave thing that the Nakaris have? Okay. And of course, so basically, yeah, oh yeah, of course, I found this old shirt, like, 2, 3, like, years ago, I think. But also, but more importantly, though, we find out that doesn't have a specialty. And and of course, one ship was going to do hors d'oeuvres, or basically the appetizer, and the other ship was going to do the main course. So for the Totsuki Elite 10, it was going to be Dindal and Tsukasa against... Again, it was going to be Dindal and Tsukasa Senpai doing the whole... Dindal Senpai was going to be doing the appetizers, whereas Tsukasa was going to be doing the main course. And of course, I thought I was going to go that way for the Rebels. I was wrong. It was going to be it was going to be Soma, or Yukihira, doing the, appetizer, and Edina doing the main course. It was Yukihira serves up some, caveman meat stick. Now I want to get to Arena's dish, because holy fucking shit. Whoops, because I just don't know how to explain it. I have to think she were that far back. She used what Soma did. It's freaking hilarious. And of course, oh yeah, Izami, the bastard, the asshole, was pre-shown about ships being ruined and some shit like that. What the fuck ever. That dude's an asshole. We all know this. Episode 10. Episode 11. Whew. Of course, to a surprise, of course, spoiler alert, because for those who haven't seen episode 11 of the Shokugeki Soma, the Rebels end up winning. So basically, there's a new Elite 10, and hopefully, in the next fucking episode, we can say bye-bye to Izami. Which, of course, in the next episode, the title is Totsuki Elite 10. Now, that could be the last episode of the entire series. I hope to God not. I want there to be at least one more season to end the show on a high note. But if this is the last episode, it leads to a time skip, so we can at least see Nakari, Edina, and Yukihira Soma married, and they had a kid, and cooking. Because I know someone likes cooking I know he likes cooking for Edina, and we all know Edina likes him. Right? I mean, how is it not that simple for people to understand that those who like each other? For those of you who are wondering what they have been doing these past few days, well, have you heard of a game called Persona 5? Seriously, that's what I've been doing these past few days. Well, that and of course work. So basically, yeah. So here's what I've been doing. I've been playing Persona 5 a lot. I freaking love this game. I went on my PS4. I fucking love the crap out of this shit. Had a Christmas party on Saturday. Had a birthday party Sunday. Was going to watch the episode Sunday. Get the reviews out. Didn't happen, obviously. So what? Okay. Hopefully, guys. Okay. Anyways, guys. Went to a birthday on Sunday. Don't know why I'm not dragging into it, but anyway. So, episode 11. Yeah. So, ended up put together a rice bowl thing. And, yeah! So, y'all remember when someone in episode 2? With the rice? He had some gelatin, poured it over the rice, and the meat, and a bowl of, like, gelatin square thingies? That's what Anita did! And I was like, and it was during this whole thing, the villain spread to basically the judges, the MC, everyone on the rebel side, everyone on the Elite 10 side, everyone declothed. Including Izami, which gross, but still funny. Hey, so that's hella funny. I'm glad they did that. Because that bitch needed to be dethroned. But still, this episode, like this one episode, oh my god, got me so hyped. Like, there's no way they're ending the show next week. They cannot end this show next week. Can they? I mean, if they do again, that's fine. I don't mind that. I actually don't mind having 4 seasons of one show. But I would like to have more. I would have at least just one more season of Food Wars. I really don't know how they could top this episode. It was so good, so thought out, so well animated. But yeah, this episode was so good. If I had, I would give it 2 gaburevolvers up. Wait, why is this one a different color? Well, that's because it's from a different show. This is the original one. This is sort of... It's kind of a new one. This one came out I mean, it's still the original gaburevolver, just different color and different sounds. So yeah, I'm also reviewing this thing because I got the thing about a few days ago. Also, got this a few days ago. The Star Build Strike Gundam Plavsky Wing. Yeah, I know I said I build this thing. Too many parts, too many stickers, and plus it's probably way too long for a build video. Oh, and so I pulled him out a while ago so we can see his brother, and out of nowhere, my build burn gun loses a leg. I have the leg right here, just missing a part. It's missing a piece. Now I could just hook it on there, but then the part of the leg we collide with this crotch, with the crotch part right here, and that's a no-no. Me. So yeah, Forrest Gump Lever Belt, and on the stand came with the Plavsky Wing Gundam. Leg, missing a piece. See, cool. But if you thought I was done there, you're wrong. As I thought, instead of doing a separate video for this guy, I thought I'd just do one big video here since I already did a video for him, but I didn't get a chance to upload it because I was running on storage space. So, yeah. And of course, he comes with 2 Dino Cells, or Jidenchi, depending on which show you want to watch, or Dino Chargers again. I already come on MPR Toys this video when they did Brave Tyranno King, saying that they're called Dino Cells, and I didn't know if they knew what they were called or not. So I just reminded them that they were called Dino Cells and Dino Force. And I got this big rant reply. I was just trying to be nice. So yeah, here's the red one. Yeah, that's different from the from a Japanese Jidenchi. What's actually the same thing? China, just more white and gray. And this is our colorons. Because I don't have our colorons because I don't have Gaburevolver. Because my dog chewed it up. So yeah, I've been needing to order a new Gaburevolver Jidenchi. Well, since they're both on, as we hear the blaster noises. This one sounds a little bit more high pitched than this one. I don't know if you guys hear or not. Now for the the noise there. But now, let's get down to some henching. Bib in. Dino change! Speedus. Blade in! Dino Pulse! Baby Fish! And in case anyone's wondering, you can still armor on, you can still go armed on. So get armed on. Other switches are also weird, I think it's on the original. Pterodons. And of course, I do have a Super Sentai Judenchi next to me. Just for consistency though. And it's Tech Ranger. So for the Tech Ranger Judenchi, you get a the Juoju lion sound. Now, you didn't hear what this sounds like to do? Why not? That's more like it. Now hear what this sounds like in here. Live in. Makes the gabu sound. Now this is what this sounds like. Live in. it says Super Sentai for speeders. So, pretty weird. But, it's a good toy. Now, which one do I recommend? If I had to choose one, which one would I recommend? It really depends on you. Between these two, I mean, it really depends if you want the Japanese or the sequel Korean version. Because this does come from, because this is a Korean toy. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also, what I recommend you watch Shokugeki. So, what do I say in all my videos? Of course, I recommend you watch it, but start from the very beginning of the series to understand everything that's happened up to this point. And also, guys, one other thing I would say: never watch Food Wars on an empty fucking stomach. You will thank me later. Peace out, y'all.